What's up everybody? Welcome back to another Next Level PC unboxing video. My name is Brian and today we're going to be taking a look at the do-it-yourself PC Zondda Orange and Black Edition. We've actually had 3 customers in the last couple months order this for a custom build, so we figured it was time we brought it to you to show it off to our YouTube viewers. Got the standard packaging going on. All right. See that orange poking through? Here we go. First look at the do-it-yourself PC Zondda Orange and Black. Starting with the front here, you may not be able to see it, but you do have a 120mm fan and it is an orange LED. Up here you've got your microphone and headphone jack. You do have a 5.25-inch bay for either a Blu-ray or CD drive or a digital fan controller, 2 USB 2.0s, a power button and a reset button, and up here on the top you've got a USB 3.0. This case does come with a clear window pane so you can look inside and check out your build, and it also includes a 140mm fan on the side pre-installed, and it is an orange LED as well. The back of this case has the standard layout of the power supply on the bottom, and just be aware that these PCI slot covers do not go back on, so they're not reusable. You do have a 120mm fan here that's pre-installed, and your motherboard is going to sit right there. Take a look at the inside here. You see you've got 6 standoffs that come pre-installed. In your little baggie of screws here, you've got 2 more, plus all the assorted screws that come with it. All your front panel connectors here. There are 4 spots for 3.5-inch hard drives, and there are 2 spots for 2.5 SSDs. Up here in the top, you have 3 bays for 5.25-inch components, and this case comes with 3 fans, 1 in the front, 1 in the back, and 1 on the side. This case supports full ATX boards as well as micro ATX and mini ATX. That's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked what you saw, click like and subscribe. We would like to take a second to thank all of our loyal viewers. Thank you so much. We really appreciate all the support that we've gotten from you guys. Keep in mind, if you guys are looking to build a custom computer, Next Level PC does build them. So just feel free to shoot us a message on Facebook. We would love to connect with you and help you out. Thanks again for watching.